Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Fabfitfun World of Kate sale. This is a huge box. I ordered 4 small things, so I'm going to open this right up and we'll check out what's inside. I have opened up the box and taken out the paper that was inside, and that is what I have. That is a really big box for just a few little things. The World of Kate sale was a sale that they did just a couple of weeks ago. This came super fast. I actually have other sales that I've purchased things from, the Memorial Day sale, that I haven't received yet. This came quick and in a hurry. It was a World of Kate sale, and what it was is it was Kate Spade, Kate Somerville, and then the owner of Fabfitfun is Kate, and she picked out some things. I picked up a few Kate Spade things because she's popular here in the fam, and I just thought I would show you what I picked up. First, and right on top, is this big baby. This is just a huge canvas bag, and actually they call it a storage box, but I could see what it is. And it's just one of those things like you can open up and put laundry in. But I just thought it was so cute, and it's so big, and I thought I might like it up here to put items in. I have to tell you, a little bigger than I thought it was going to be. So I have wrangled it open, and it just, see how it has the rounded bottom and then it stands up tall. It's just meant to be like one of those canvas, guys, it's just meant to be one of those huge canvas bags that you can put like laundry in or whatever. I wasn't really sure what I'd use it for. I just thought I would keep it up here, or maybe I could find a use for it, although I don't think like I can keep lipsticks in it, but I will find a good use for it. But how cute is that? On the front it says, get a handle on it. And I need to get a handle on it. Oh, which by the way, it has 2 handles. You could actually take your laundry bye-byes if you wanted to use it for laundry. I just chucked it off to the side so it would be out of our way, and it's standing. I'm really happy about that. Whew. I did not even realize how big that was going to be. Okay, moving on to smaller and more manageable things. Next, and I've already taken out of some of its packaging, this is actually for my mom, and it is the Kate Spade. How pretty is that in that Bordeaux? It is the Margot Small Slim Bifold Wallet. It has a $54 value, and I think it was a $98 original retail, and it's just cute. My mom carries a lot of crossbody bags, so this will be perfect for in there, and it has the little zipper on top to keep your change in, and it slides very nicely. It has the card holder inside, an ID holder, and yay, a place where you can put your foldable money. We looked at one of these and it didn't show that. This one acted, oh, actually it's 2 places. So that's fantastic. This didn't mention if it had those or not. The other one said that it did not, but this one we were hoping for the best. And then it just snaps. Oh, and it's such a nice snap. She is going to love this. It is perfect for her. And then last, and I picked up 2 of these because 2 of my granddaughters are old enough to be in school, so me showing this on the channel probably means that they see it. Hey girls, I'm saving them for back to school. I picked up 2 Kate Spade pencil cases. One in the 2-tone stripe, and it has the little Kate Spade on it, and the other, and they call this the Floral Dot Pencil Pouch. These were a great deal. They were only $17 each, and they're Kate Spade, normally $30, I think. And the inside is just a nice pencil case, and it's got that nice vinyl liner. And this one has a ruler, and oh my gosh, how cute is that? A Kate Spade eraser and a pencil sharpener. That is so cute. And this one has the same ruler, the same little eraser, the same pencil sharpener, and it has 2 of the pencils inside. I am pretty sure that both of these were supposed to have the Kate Spade pencils, but I'll just take one and put it in the other case so they will each have 1. But that is what the little, oh see, you can see the little Kate Spade mark on it. That is what the little pencils look like. They are they're short and very, see next relative to my hand? They're short and very thin. Interesting. So I picked those up for my girls for back to school. I just thought they would be super cute. And that's it. That was a quickie. That's all I picked up from the World of Kate sale. I had purses in my cart. I had other wallets in my cart. But as I went through and looked at them and thought reasonably about what I wanted and what I needed, I decided I just didn't need that much. So this is all I picked up, and I feel very proud of me. Thank you so much for coming by. I will see you guys really soon. Let me know below. Do you like Kate Spade too? Did you pick up anything from the World of Kate sale? We've got to talk about this. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you guys really soon. Take care out there.